Hello students, in this video we are going to find out the nature of light. Earlier when we are very young, when we are in very small standard, we are told that the light is a type of ray. Yes, it is a type of ray. We always make a sun and there is a ray coming from the sun. But when we come little bit after some higher standard, we are knowing that the light is a type of wave. Light is also a type of wave. It shows the diffraction. This is the illustration of diffraction. This is the presentation. You will find is like this. Actually, diffraction is the bending of light when it found any obstacle. It's a bending of light from the corner of any obstacle. When there is any obstacle come, the light start to bend, and that is called diffraction. So we can say that the light also a nature of wave, and we now at presently we are knowing that light is a form of energy particles and it is called photon. So it's a question for us that what is the nature of light. So light is a ray, light is a wave, light is a energy particle called photons. So what is this light? Actually basically light follows these all. They can exist in all form. They can be exist in the ray form, wave form and photon form. They all are, but we have to understand it according whenever we need to take the light to know all the reflection and refraction we take as a ray. When we in the higher classes you will study about the wave and photons more in detail. So in the new quantum theory it says that light is behave like both particle as well as wave. So the situation is different. Sometime we can consider as a particle, sometime we consider as a wave, and sometime we consider as a ray. So in this way the nature of light is it is both as a particle as well as wave. Now considering as the nature of light, we can say that light is an electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. So we can find here there is only 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 to 7 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter is a visible light. So it shows the electromagnetic spectrum, means the light is when it moves in the form of wave, there is a radio wave, microwave, infrared wave, and only this part is visible to us. This part, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 to 7 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. That particular wavelength, it's a wavelength. It's a wavelength. So that particular wavelength we are able to visible, that particular light we are VIBGYOR, that is visible to us. And from here you have ultraviolet ray, X-ray and gamma rays. So this is the particular electromagnetic spectrum, and the visibility, which part of the light we are able to visible, only this part of the light we are able to see. So this is the nature of the light, that it's behave like a both particle as well as wave. But in this chapter we are considering, basically we are dealing with the reflection and refraction of light. So we will consider as a ray, and we take the light in the ray form to understand this whole concept.